The word sacred is defined as that which is regarded with reverence and should be protected and secured against violation. Names, those given and chosen, are sacred. Our names humanize us and call us to see the humanity in others. Names are more than letters strung together. They carry the weight of generations. They represent uniqueness and connection to tradition, land, family, and self. Names are sacred. We can erode that sacredness when we dead name or disregard pronunciations, either unconsciously or consciously. Understand your impact. Slow down, be present, and be mindful of how our words and actions affect others. Take responsibility. When we make mistakes, which we will, let's embrace correction with humility and empathy. Pause, apologize, and seek clarity. Join us in creating spaces together where every person feels seen, heard, and valued.
Brought to you by Pacific Lutheran University and the Office of Diversity, Justice, and Sustainability. To find out more, visit us at plu.edu/namesaresacred.